Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today topic is mixture and alligation. Question number 1. A mixture contain milk and water in the ratio of 5:3. If 16 liters of water is added, the ratio becomes 5:4. Question is, what is the initial quantity of milk? See, first basic method, milk, water, 5:3. Let milk be 5x, water 3x. Next ratio become 5:4. 5:4, water is added. Water is how much added? Plus 16. See how to write, 5x divided by 3x plus, okay, we are adding water, how much? 16 liters. This equals to 5/4. Ratio is 5/4. 5x into 4, it is 20. 3x into 5, it is 15. 20 minus 15, that is 5x. 5x equals to 16 into 5, it is 80. Okay, then what is the value of x? X equals to 16. We want what is the initial quantity of milk. Initial quantity of milk is 5x. 5 into 16, that is 80. 80 is the answer. Now see, shortcut to milk, water. Initial ratio is 5:3. Final ratio is 5:4. Okay, we are adding the water. How much? Plus 16 liter. See, if we are adding the water, it means milk remains same. See, milk is initially is 5 part, final is 5 part. So no need to balance the ratio. Now see here, water is becoming from 3 to 4. It means 4 minus 3, 1. 1 equals to how much? 16. 1 part equals to 16. What is the initial quantity of milk? Milk is 5 part. We want 5 part. It is 16 into 5. Again same answer, 80. Next, what ratio rice costing 40 kg mixed with 60 kg? Okay, to obtain mixture worth 48 kg. Now apply the allegation. See, it is a mixture. One is 60, another is 40. See, it is a 60 minus 48. It is 12. Okay, 48 minus 40. How much? It is 8. Ratio is 2:3. Next, a vessel contains 60 liters of a mixture, milk and water in the ratio of 2:1. How much water should be added? Okay, to make ratio 1:2. See here, milk and water in the ratio of 2:1. Total is 2 plus 1, 3. 3 part equals to 60. 1 part is equals to how much? 20. 1 part equals to 20. Milk, water. Okay, 1 into 20, it is 20. 2 into 20, it is 40. Next, how much water should be added? Okay, how much water should be added to make the ratio 1:2? See here, this equals to 40 divided by 20 plus, okay, how much water should be added? Let water should be added equals to x plus x. This equals to 1:2. See, it is 40 into 2, 80. 1 into 2, 20. It is 80 minus 20 equals to x, that is 60. 60 is the answer. Option D. Next, a shopkeeper mixed two varieties. One is 180, another is 240 in the ratio of 2:3. What is the cost per kg of the mixture? See, it is 180 into 2 plus 240 into 3 divided by total ratio is 5. If we solve, you will get the answer. It's here, it is 180 into 2, 360. 360 plus, it is 240 into 3, it is 720 divided by 5. It is 1080 divided by 5. It is answer is 216. Next, very important one. First 80 liters of water. Okay. Next 20 liters of milk is removed and replaced with water. This process is repeated once again. Question is milk left in the container. See, total is 80 minus 20 removed. It is 60. Total is 80. What is the ratio? Ratio is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the ratio. Question is how much milk is left in the container. Milk left in the container equals to initial quantity. It is 80 into how much we are removing? 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 once again means into 3 by 4. It is 16 into 5 times, so 5 into 9 times. It is 45. 45 is the answer. Next, alligation and mixture again. Here mixture is 60. Mixture is 60. One is 72, another is 48. 72 minus 60, it is 12. 60 minus 48, again it is 12. Ratio is 1:1. Next, a mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio of 7:3. Alcohol, water 7:3. Okay. Final ratio is 7:5. What we are adding? Water. See, if water is adding, it means alcohol remains same. See here, initial alcohol is 7 part. Final also 7 part. So no need to balance. Next is 3 is becoming 5. 3 is becoming 5 means gap is 2. See, 2 part equals to, question is given 20 liters. Okay, 2 part value is 20. 1 part equals to 10. Question is what was initial quantity of mixture? Mixture quantity is 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 into 10, 100. 100 is the answer. Next, again it is alligation. See, mixture is 38. Okay, mixture is 38. One is 44, another is 32. Okay. Next is 38 minus 32. It is 6. Again 44 minus 38. Again 6. Ratio is 1:1. See, next important one. A vessel contains 90 liters of water. 90 liters of mixture of milk and water in the ratio of 5:4. Okay, first find quantity of milk and water. 5 plus 4, it is 9. 9 part equals to 90. 1 part equals to 10. It means 5 into 10, 50. 4 into 10, 40. See here. Then milk equals to 50. Milk equals to 50. See here, how much mixture should be removed and replaced with water so that the ratio of milk to water becomes 5:7. See, milk is equals to 50 minus, okay, how much mixture should be removed. Let mixture should be removed equals to x. Okay, see here, mixture removed in the ratio of same, that is 5:4. Okay, but we are calculating here milk. What is the milk? 5 part. 5 by total is 9. Next, water equals to, water is how much? 40. 40 minus x. 40 minus x. Next, what is the water ratio? Water ratio is 4. 4 by 9. See here, replaced with the pure water plus x plus x. Now the ratio becomes, see here, ratio is 5. This is the final ratio. It is 50 minus 5 by 9 into x. Here 40 minus 4 by 9 into x plus x equals to 5:7. Okay, if we solve, we will get the answer. Answer this in comment box. See last question. Trade mix 30 kg of rice, cost 50, with some quantity of rice we don't know, cost is 70, average is 58. Here 30 into 50, 30 into 50 plus some quantity, let sum equals to x into 70, whole divided by total is 30 plus x, 30 plus x, this equals to 58. Now solve. See, it is 1500 plus 70x equals to 58 into x, 58x plus it is 0, 1740, 1500 minus 1740, 1500 minus 1740, this equals to 240. Here 1500 minus 1740 equals to 240, this equals to 70 minus 58x, 70x minus 58x equals to 12x, then what is the value of x equals to, it is 20, value of x equals to 20 is the answer. Okay friends, in this video we learned mixture and allegation 10 important question. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel, share to your friends. Thank you.